Hello everyone, welcome back to Book Study with Anu. In today's video, we are going to discuss the important questions and answers from the complete chapter 2 stories about flying from class 10th CBSE English first flight. We will cover both parts, his first flight by Liam O. Flaherty and the Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth with easy and detailed answers. So let's begin. First question from part 1, his first flight. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds more timid than others? Do you think a human body also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? युवा सीगल उड़ने से क्यों डरता था? क्या सभी छोटे पक्षी अपनी पहली उड़ान से डरते हैं या कुछ पक्षी दूसरों से अधिक डरपोक होते हैं? क्या एक मानव बच्चा भी अपने पहले कदम उठाने में कठिनाई महसूस करता है? आंसर: द यंग सीगल was afraid to fly because he lacked confidence in his wings. He thought that his wings would not support him and then he would fall into the sea. When he looked down from the high cliff, the sea seemed very far below and this made him frightened. Although his brothers and sisters had already learned to fly, he could not gather enough courage to take his first flight. I think all young birds may not be equally afraid of their first flight. Some birds may be more timid and less confident than others. They need encouragement and practice before they can fly confidently. Similarly, a human baby also finds it difficult to take its first steps. It may be afraid of falling, but with practice, support, and encouragement from its parents, it slowly gains confidence and learns to walk. Thus, the first step or first attempt can be difficult, but courage and practice help us succeed. Second question is very important. The sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? Or why was the young seagull afraid to fly with his family members? भोजन को देखकर वह व्याकुल हो गया. यह क्या दर्शाता है? आखिर किस चीज ने युवा सीगल को उड़ने के लिए मजबूर किया? आंसर: द सेंटेंस द साइट ऑफ द फूड मैडन्ड हिम shows that the young seagull was extremely hungry. He had not eaten anything since the previous night. He was watching his family eating food, so he was feeling even more hungry. His mother came towards him with a piece of fish in her beak. The young seagull became very excited when he saw the fish. However, his mother stopped before reaching him. The fish was very close to him, but he could not reach it because he wanted the food badly. He forgot his fear of flying. He moved forward and tried to reach the fish. He fell from the edge of the cliff, but soon he discovered that his wings could support him. He started flying. Thus, his hunger and his strong desire for food forced him to take his first flight. His fear disappeared when he finally gained confidence in his wings. Third question: they were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? वे कौन कौन से कारण थे जिनसे युवा सीगल को उड़ने के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा? आंसर: There were several reasons that forced the young seagull to take his first flight. First, he was very hungry because he had not eaten anything since the previous night. He wanted the piece of fish that his mother was carrying. Second, his mother used the fish to encourage him to fly. She came close to him but stopped just out of his reach. The young seagull wanted the fish so badly that he forgot his fear and jumped towards it. Third, his family had already learned to fly while he was still afraid. His parents and his siblings wanted him to become confident and learn to fly. Finally, when he jumped towards the foot, he fell into the air. He was frightened at first, but soon he discovered that his wings could support him. He started flying and become confident. Thus, hunger, the desire for food, encouragement from his family, and the need to overcome his fear finally made the young seagull take his first flight. Next, fourth question. Have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Discuss this in pairs or groups. क्या आपको कभी ऐसा अनुभव हुआ है जब आपके माता पिता ने आपको कोई ऐसा काम करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया हो जिसे करने से आप बहुत डरते थे? इस विषय पर जोड़े या समूह में चर्चा कीजिए. आंसर: Yes, I have had a similar experience. Once I was afraid of speaking in front of a large group of people. I thought that I might make mistakes and feel embarrassed. My parents encouraged me and told me not to be afraid of making mistakes. They said that I should try with confidence. Their support gave me courage. I practiced several times and finally spoke in front of everyone. I felt very happy and confident after completing it successfully. This experience taught me that encouragement from parents can help us overcome our fears and gain confidence. Next, fifth question. In the case of a bird flying, it seems a natural act and a foregone conclusion that it should succeed. In examples you have given in answer to the previous question, was your success guaranteed or was it important for you to fly regardless of a possibility of failure? एक पक्षी के उड़ने के मामले में यह एक स्वाभाविक कार्य लगता है और यह निश्चित माना जाता है कि यह सफल होगा. पिछले प्रश्न के उत्तर में आपने जो उदाहरण दिए हैं उनमें क्या आपकी सफलता निश्चित थी या असफलता की संभावना के बावजूद आपके लिए प्रयास करना महत्वपूर्ण था? आंसर: My success was not guaranteed. There was always a possibility that I might fail. However, it was important for me to try because trying gives us a chance to learn and improve. If we are afraid of failure and do not try, we can never know what we are capable of doing. Even if we fail, we learn from our mistakes and can try again with more confidence. In the same way, the young seagull was afraid that he would fail to fly, but he took the risk and finally succeeded. Therefore, it is more important to try than to worry about failure. Success may not always be guaranteed, but courage, practice, and continuous effort can help us achieve our goals. Next, second part, the black aeroplane. First question, I'll take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? मैं जोखिम उठाऊंगा. यहाँ जोखिम क्या है? कथाकार यह जोखिम क्यों उठाता है? Answer, the risk was that the narrator decided to fly his old Dakota aeroplane directly into the huge storm clouds. He could clearly see that the storm was dangerous because the clouds looked like big black mountains in front of him. He knew that he could not fly over the clouds and he did not have enough fuel to fly around them towards the north or south. The safest choice for him was to turn back to Paris, but he did not want to return. The narrator was very eager to reach his home in England because he wanted to meet his family after a long journey and wanted to take a good English breakfast with his family. Therefore, he decided to take the risk and flew his old Dakota straight into the storm. His decision was dangerous. In fact, after entering the storm, his compass, radio, and other instruments stopped working and he became completely lost. Next, second question, describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. जब नरेटर ने अपने हवाई जहाज को तूफान के अंदर उड़ाया तब उसका अनुभव कैसा रहा? आंसर, when the narrator flew his Dakota aeroplane into the storm, his experience became frightening and dangerous. As soon as he entered the storm clouds, everything around him became completely black. He could not see anything outside the aeroplane. The old Dakota began to jump and twist in the air because of the strong storm. Suddenly, the instruments also stopped working. The compass started turning round and then stopped working. The radio also became dead, so he could not contact Paris control. He had no compass to know his direction and no radio to communicate with anyone. He was completely lost in the storm and became very frightened. Then suddenly he saw another strange black aeroplane flying near him. The other pilot had no lights on his aeroplane, but he signaled the narrator to follow him. The narrator followed the strange aeroplane through the storm. Finally, the strange aeroplane guided him safely out of the storm and towards an airport. Third question, why does the narrator say, I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? नरेटर ऐसा क्यों कहता है? मैंने विमान उतारा और पुराने डकोटा से दूर चले जाने में मुझे कोई दुख नहीं हुआ. आंसर, द नरेटर सेज दिस बिकॉज हिज जर्नी in the old Dakota had been extremely frightening and dangerous. While flying through the storm. The aeroplane had jumped and twisted in the air. Its compass, radio, and other instrument had stopped working. The narrator was also running out of fuel and had no idea where he was. He was completely lost and feared that he might not be able to land safely. Therefore, when he finally came out of the clouds and saw the runway, he felt greatly relieved and safe. After landing, he was happy to leave the old Dakota because he had a very frightening experience in it. He was simply thankful to be alive and safely on the ground. Next, fourth question. What made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Or why did the lady in the control room give the pilot a puzzled look? कंट्रोल सेंटर में मौजूद महिला ने नरेटर को अजीब नजर से क्यों देखा? आंसर: द वुमन इन द कंट्रोल सेंटर looked at the narrator strangely because he told her about the other black aeroplane that had helped him during the storm. The narrator wanted to know who the other pilot was because he wanted to thank him for guiding him safely to the airport. However, the woman was surprised by his question. She told him that no other aeroplane was flying that night because there was a storm. She also said that the narrator's aeroplane was the only one that appeared on the radar. This information shocked the narrator because he had clearly seen another black aeroplane and its pilot. The mysterious disappearance of the black aeroplane made the woman look at him strangely. Next, last question. Who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this among yourselves and give reasons for your answer. आपके विचार में नरेटर को सुरक्षित पहुंचाने में किसने मदद की? अपने साथियों के साथ चर्चा करें और अपने उत्तर के कारण बताइए. आंसर: I think the narrator was helped by a supernatural power in the form of the mysterious black aeroplane. When the narrator entered the storm, he was in great danger. His compass stopped working, his radio became dead, and he could not see anything because of the thick dark clouds. He was completely lost and was also running out of fuel. At that moment, a strange black aeroplane suddenly appeared near him. There was no lights on its wings, but the pilot was able to fly through the dangerous storm. The pilot waved at the narrator and signaled him to follow. The most mysterious part is that when the narrator landed safely, the black aeroplane had completely disappeared. Therefore, I believe that a supernatural power helped the narrator in this difficult situation. My dear students, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more.